not like my face? I'm gonna give it a second so it actually focuses on my face. Hello! My name is Lanie and welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For more videos, I'm trying to post videos twice a week. We're gonna see if it actually happens or not, but fingers crossed because I am in college and I'm super busy and I have an annoying roommate so I can't film at my dorm, so I have to cram pack all my videos when I'm home. Also, I have an Instagram and a TikTok, which you can find right here for the usernames, and I post content there super frequently, so definitely go check those out. I'm on a bit of a TikTok obsession right now. I spend all my time on TikTok. It's terrible. I make them. I mainly just watch them because I'm obsessed, and yeah, so let's dive right into it. Today is going to be an About Me video! But a cosplay edition. Let's dive right in. I think these videos are actually a great thing to make because I really want to be more than just like a cosplayer to people and like more than just, oh, that one Voltron cosplayer whose videos I sometimes see in my recommended. Like, I want to be your guys' friends. I want you guys to know me. I want you guys to come and like DM me and talk to me and send me like your favorite posts and like hype. Like, I want you guys to hype up your favorite cosplayers to me. I want to be someone that you guys really relate to, and I want to come off as like approachable because in the end, the reason I'm here is to make friends. I want to be friends with all of you. DM me. So that's why I'm making this About Me video, so you guys can know about me, hopefully be like, yeah, I want to be friends with this kid, and so let's dive right in. Like I said, my name is Lanie, and no, that is not my real name, but it is the name I've been going by my entire life. And if I'm being completely honest, I've been thinking really heavily about changing it lately, but I don't know what to. I actually have two names that I really like that I want to switch it to, but they're almost the same name except one is more feminine and one is more masculine version, and I just don't know. I like everybody. I identify as pan because if you have a good personality, I'm probably attracted to you, except not right now because I am in a relationship and I am not poly. I just like Liam because he's adorable and he has my heart and just blah. But yeah, so sexuality wise, I am pansexual, and for pronouns, you can use any pronouns with me. Oddly enough, female pronouns are slowly making me uncomfortable, and I think because they're making me uncomfortable, I'm like overcompensating and trying to cosplay and like cosplay like really feminine characters and dress up in like feminine Lolita because I'm really confused right now. So when I figure that out, I'll get back to you, but yeah, feel free to use any pronouns. I'm 20 years old. I am a sophomore in college, and I am a business major, actually. Both my parents are scientists, and my brother is now a physicist, which is scary. So I am going off that path and doing business. It's not really the major I wanted to do. I really wanted to do something film or art related, but that was not an option for me. So I'm doing business instead, and in case you are wondering, any revenue that I make from these YouTube videos either goes back in towards filming equipment, cosplays, Lolita stuff, or it goes straight to my college tuition, and it's how I afford toothpaste and like contact solution. I pay for my own like meds most of the time and like co-pays on doctor's appointments. So this is my revenue. It's not going towards anything sketchy. It's going towards my education, my channel, or it's going towards like necessities in my life. I'm not spending it on anything frivolous, so if you would like to support me any further, I have my Ko-Fi and my Amazon wishlist, and just like if you watch videos and share them, that helps so much. But like I was saying, I'm a sophomore in college. I am a business major. And I have a boyfriend too. He goes to my college. He is a comm major, in case you were wondering. His name's Liam. I talk about him a lot. He's really cute, and I like him a lot. So this is a cosplay related About Me video. So we're gonna dive right into it and talk about how I got started with cosplay. I've told this story like a million bajillion times on my channel. You can probably find it way back when, so I won't give you the full story, you can go and find that, but I will tell you I started cosplaying in 2012, and you know what? I think I'll actually hold off to this because I want to talk about my dream cosplays later on. But I'll just say right now that in 2012 my first cosplay was Akita Naru and Kagamina Rin. They're both Vocaloids. Yeah, Akita Naru's costume I made. I took one of my dad's shirts. I don't think I asked him first, and I like cut it. Keep in mind I was 12 at the time, and my mom helped me make her skirt, and I sewed little ribbons around leggings. It was so cute. I'll put a picture if I can find one over here. I didn't know what makeup was, and I hit puberty pretty young, so my face was all broken out like crazy. I also cosplayed Kagamina Rin at like the same exact time, and I actually used to have super long, super blonde hair down past my butt, and I cut it super short to be Rin, and yeah, I bought her cosplay, so made one, bought one right off the bat. I still cosplay both of them. I cosplay a lot more Vocaloids now though. Yeah, I'm still obsessed with Vocaloid. And I also went to my first convention in 2012, and I went with my two best friends, Lauren and Bella, and I won't post pictures of them to save them the embarrassment, but we were all very cringy, and it was one of the best times of my life. I had so much fun, and this 2012 convention is where I met one of my absolute best friends, Damien, who you've seen in a million videos of mine, but I love him so much, and we actually didn't become friends in 2012. We became friends in 2013 when I ran into him again, and he was dressed as Daughter of Evil Rin, and I saw him, and I was like, this is the most attractive, coolest person I have ever seen in my freaking life. I want to be friends with this kid. I want to be friends with this guy. How do I be friends with someone this cool? And I think I either gave Damien or I gave one of his friends the wrong phone number on accident because I like blanked out when I was like, oh my god, this like super cool kid is asking for my phone number so we can hang out. And I know I fixed it, but that's just like a small detail I remember, and we like hung out the entire convention, and Damien is one of my best friends now, 8 years later. Yeah, 8 years later I think, because it's 2020 now. And that's just like, that's crazy. I meet all my best friends through cosplay, and it's so amazing. And yeah, that is my first cosplay story. I guess I'm just gonna talk about my cosplays, like what was my cheapest cosplay? Lance. What was my most expensive cosplay? Yoshino, which I'm actually thinking about making a little video about how it was constructed. There's a whole story with that cosplay too, that's super complicated. But Yoshino is actually one of my dream cosplays because she's so cute, and she has like this big hood. She's just a little bunny. She has a little bunny puppet, and I love her, and she's so shy. And let's hop back into it. So I talked about when I first started cosplaying. Oh, and yeah, when I was 12, we made an account for all my friends because we wanted to like share our cosplays and meet people in the community. So we made 2 online accounts. We made an Instagram and a YouTube channel. This is the same YouTube channel. You can go watch my videos from when I'm 12. And you're probably like, why do you keep these up? These are so cringy. But I love seeing my progress. I love seeing these happy memories that I made with people, and I love seeing like old friends too, even though we aren't in contact anymore, or even if like a lot of the people on my channel, we have like burnt bridges. It's still just really nice memories, and sometimes I really like looking back on them and remembering a time when we were happy, which is a little sad. But back to the usernames explained. This YouTube channel is called Bigura Team. I'm probably going to change the name soon. To what? I don't know. Probably just I Forgot Reality, but I've been debating on that since like freshman year of high school. It hasn't happened, so I don't know. But Bigura Team happened because in 5th grade, when I was 12 years old, my friends and I were obsessed with bagels, and we're like, what's the Japanese word for bagel? Because we were total weeaboos. And turns out, Japanese word for bagel is biguru, and we're like, there's 3 of us, we're a team, bagel team, ha ha ha, we're so funny. And that's how that happened. I Forgot Reality is an allude to Alice in Wonderland because I'm absolutely obsessed with Alice in Wonderland. And I also low-key kind of stole one of my brother's ex-girlfriend's usernames because hers was For Creating Reality, and I thought that was so beautiful, and I'm like, I want to do something with reality in it. I love the sound of the word reality, I love the concept of it. And by the way, in case you're wondering, we're totally cool now. Hannah, my brother's ex, is like my best friend. She is my big sister. I love her so much, and I hang out with her all the time actually because she's amazing. So we're totally cool, and we like laugh about it now of, wow, when I was like 14 I stole your username and slightly modified it. So don't be like me, come up with your own original stuff, but this username really stuck and I really identify with it. So yeah, that's my username explained. Now we're going to talk about my favorite cosplay that I've done, and after that dream cosplays, and I think that's just going to wrap it up for now because I keep talking and going on tangents, and this is supposed to be cosplay about me. So my favorite cosplay that I have done so far is definitely Love Philosophia Miku. I bring her to a lot of conventions because she is so bad. She gives off the biggest energy. If you know what Love Philosophia is, it's a Vocaloid song, and they kind of have like these police outfits, like these super cool police outfits. And I just feel, I put on that Miku cosplay and I feel so glamorous and confident, and I feel like I can do anything and like no one can possibly get in my way. It's like the best feeling in the universe, and oddly enough, that's the only cosplay, like the only feminine cosplay that I feel confident in. If I put on other like feminine cosplays, I feel really like out of place unless it's Love Philosophia Miku. And as you can probably guess from what I'm wearing, Keith is my other favorite to cosplay. I really identify with Keith. He's probably one of my all-time favorite characters from anything. And in case you're wondering, we are both Texan. We're both very easily frustrated and like have that kind of short temper. We're both very introverted and we both live in a box and do not understand pulp culture. I don't like memes. I actually really hate memes. I don't get them. I don't get a lot of stuff that people find funny, and I just relate to Keith on that level. Plus his character design is so cute, and I put on Keith and I look in the mirror and I'm like, hot damn. I don't know, I'm actually contemplating getting my hair cut really short like Keith's, but I'm very worried about my face shape. But I really love Keith and I just want to be him. He's so great. I love him. When I like wear his outfit, I feel so confident and I feel so attractive and just like self-assured, and it's such an amazing feeling. I don't know. That's just it. So now we're going to talk about my dream cosplays. And as I told you, Yoshino is one of my dream cosplays, and I have two other dream cosplays, which are Seven Dragons Miku, because it's absolutely gorgeous. It is one of the most beautiful costumes I've ever seen. And my other one is Daughter of Evil Rin, which I'm actually going to get pretty soon. Maybe by the time this video is up, I'll actually have it in my possession because I am buying it off of a friend. So Daughter of Evil has been my dream cosplay since I started cosplaying, actually. When I was 12 years old, well, a week after I turned 12 years old in 5th grade, I spent the night at Lauren's house. If you remember her, I mentioned her briefly. She's one of the people I started this channel with, and we were moving and I didn't want to move, and I ended up staying like late at her house, and she was like, hey, what music are you listening to? We were bonding over the fact that like we both watched like Tokyo Mew Mew and like Spice and Wolf and all these animes, and she's like, do you know about Vocaloid? Let me show you these songs. And the first song she played was Daughter of Evil, followed by Servant of Evil, and I fell so in love at that moment. I guess Daughter of Evil has such an important meaning to me. Like, it reminds me of how I first got into cosplay, how I first got into Vocaloid. One of my best friends was wearing this cosplay when I met him. So it has like all of these different connections, and it just like feels like fate that I'm meant to cosplay this, if that makes sense. It has so much sentimental value and it means so much to me, and I cannot wait to cosplay Daughter of Evil. And yeah, this is way longer than I thought it would be, but thank you for coming to my About Me cosplay edition. Stay tuned for a frequently asked questions video. I've had this planned for like a year. Don't know when I'll actually make it because some of the questions that I have written down are like works of progress. Like there's questions about the Gravity Falls series that I started of, are you continuing this? And I'm like, yeah, I am. Wait, no, am I? Maybe, possibly. So I don't know how to answer those quite yet, so I'm kind of like debating in my head how to, because I don't want to disappoint anyone. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, there's a subscribe button. Hit it, please. I would really appreciate it. It'd help my channel a lot, and it would also help me fund college. So yeah, if you want to check out more content, check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.